Hey Valley Middle, welcome back for another math video with Mr. Dudley. Today we're going to be looking at multiplication equations and how to solve those. This will be the final video in the series of 4 on solving equations with the different operations. Let's get to the fun. Today, a riddle. This is something you touch every day and 95% of the people in the world have no idea what it's called. What is it? Things that make you go, All right, let's get to the target. Officially, the target is 3.3b. I can solve multiplication equations using inverse operations. Let's do it. All right, let's start with a question similar to yesterday's lesson. See if you can solve this equation before I even teach you how. Go for it. How'd you do? Did you use an inverse operation? What's the opposite operation of multiplication? You're right, it's division. Let's take a look and see what I did here. Well, I had 15 equals 3s, so I'm trying to isolate the variable, so I just divided by 3 and divided by 3. I end up with 5s. For those of you who might need a little bit more than that, when you divide 3 by 3, you just get 1s, or s. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, we get 5s. Of course, as always, throw that in and check it. 15 equals 3 times 5, and it's a marac. You are all set. Let's get to the words for the day. Well, you probably could have guessed after this video, by this time this video, what the term would be. It is multiplication equation. That's just simply an equation where a multiplication is the operation, like here, 4t. Also, we have the division property of equality, which will help us solve those. Just like the addition, subtraction, and multiplication properties, in a nutshell, you can divide both sides of an equation by the same number. As long as it's not 0, everything is cool. All right, so take a look at what I did here. We had 20 equals 4t. I divided both sides by 4, which the division property of equality lets me to do. 4 divided by 4 is just 1t, or t. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And that's all there is. I told you these were going to be simple. Let's try some examples. You try 8y equals 24. Go ahead. I'm back. Sorry about that. 8y equals 24. Let's see how you did. Did you divide by 8? If you did the right thing. You would have ended up with y equals 3. 8 divided by 8 is 1, or just y. 24 divided by 8 is 3. Check my answer. 8 times 3 is 24. And what have we got hiding underneath here? Good job, you're my hero. Well, next to Mr. Dudley. He's such a nice guy. Yeah, I know. All right, let's go on to the next problem. 6z equals 48. Go ahead and pause and give it a shot. Monica, it is time to listen to the... Oh, sorry. Here we go. Let's see how you did. Slide this baby over. Did you divide by 6? Well, we got multiplying by 6 here, so the opposite operation is division. So we divide by 6, we get to isolate the variable. So we got 6 divided by 6 is just z, or 1z, equals 8. Pop that in. 6 times 8 is 48. What do we got hiding over here? A rare picture of Mr. Persons in his youth as a student. Oh, sorry, I didn't think I was going to put that one. Oh, shucks. I knew I should have shared my pet rock with Mrs. Carruthers. We got all kinds of stuff hiding today. All right, solve this equation. Go ahead and pause it. Well, y'all, how'd you do? Let's see what's going on here. All right, we had 3d divided by 36. So I divide by 3. I can isolate the d to get d equals 12. Pop it in. 3 times 12, 36. This is pretty fun, isn't it? You're doing really well. I think it's time to go get something to eat. What do you want to eat? Tommy want wingy. Sorry. That's totally random. That's just the way my mind's working right now. Are you still with me? Don't you dare shut this off. Okay, solve this multiplication equation. This will be right the last one before our ticket to the show. Go ahead and pause it and do it. I'm back. Thought I'd do that one semi-normal. All right, 8k equals 72. We're going to divide by 8. We end up with k equals 9. Pop it in. 8 times 9, 72. And we got Mr. Persons on dress-up day over here. Ah, good job, kids. All right, let's do the ticket to the show. 2 multiplication equations. 39 equals 3d. 16y equals 48. Please complete those. That'll be your ticket to the show. You know what I'm saying, my friend? All right, you can tell. Here's the chime. I'm working at school today. All right, let's go to the just for fun question. See if we can solve that riddle. What is something that you touch every day and 95% of the people in the world have no idea what it is? Well, let's scroll across this way. It's a shoestring. Oh no. It's this little teeny guy out here on the end of the shoestring. Do you know what that's called? Well, here's a little trivia question you can ask your parents about that. Plastic things on the end of shoelaces are called aglets. Thanks for watching. I feel pretty good about the way we ended up. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction equations, those are all done. Next up, 2-step equations. I think you'll do well on that too. Have a nice night.